I have my baby Seiko Alpinist right here. This is a very good watch. I have them for a year already. I love the design. I love everything about this watch. It goes pretty good on this kind of NATO bracelet. I don't like it to wear on the strap that it came with. So I have another Seiko, another Baby Alpinist Seiko with green dial, which I bought in order to have a bracelet for this watch as well, so I can switch it whenever I want. But today I'm not gonna review the watch. I did it before. Today I'm gonna be talking about the issue that I have with my watch right now, and the issue is it's magnetized. It started recently. It just started to go faster than it's supposed to go. They are gaining around 1 minute per day. Looks like they got magnetized. I used the app on my phone to try it, and that showed me that they magnetized. And so I have to deal with this. And so I had two choices: either to bring them somewhere to the service center, or I can try to do it myself. I bought the device on Amazon, the magnetizer. I will leave a link down below for you to check. And I'm gonna try it right now, if it's gonna work or not. Okay, so here's my magnetized watch. Here's actually the reason why it got magnetized. I think they were laying down on top of them, if I remember correctly, or really close to them. So my really big suspicion about this case, and that's how my watch got magnetized. I don't have any other ideas how it could happen, so I think that's the dangerous thing to have around your watch. So here they are. I just want them to stop. I actually wait for them to stop for 3 days because they have like 70 hours reserve, power reserve. And I just move them and they start ticking again. Because when you do demagnetizing, they're not supposed to run. So this is a demagnetizer that I bought from on Amazon. That's the box. Looks like pretty simple device. It has a really short cord, so I had to get the cord extension for it. So that's the magnetizer. So the watch has stopped. I will unscrew the crown just in case, so they won't move while I'll be doing my exercises with them. So the idea is to have them slightly above the device, not to let them rest on it, and then press the button and slowly put it in the air. I hope that this did help. I'll try to run them now and we'll see how it's gonna go. So I did set them up to the right time, and I'm gonna be wearing them for the day, and we'll leave them rest for tomorrow, and I'll see what happens. I hope I fixed them. Okay, so yesterday I tried to demagnetize this watch, and looks like it's working. Looks like it did go well. So it showed me exact time that I set it up yesterday, which before it was like at least it would be at least 1 minute more, but now it seems it's working perfectly. So the device worked, and seems like my watch is back to normal. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave your comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.